I'm gonna do some donuts on ice with Herbie. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure how well this is gonna go. Okay. That's cool. It didn't need too much. That was cool. I didn't let the battery charge long enough. On. That was cool. Did a little sliding. Didn't do a lot, but I wanted to see. There's really not enough snow, so not enough ice to really do much. That was a little cool. It didn't really do what I thought it would. I didn't really charge it a lot, so it did slide around the corner down there. Let me see. Yeah, right there. Right over here, guys, is where most of the ice is. Oh, it's all flush. Because people's been driving on it. Not really doing a lot. My battery's too low. That's alright. That was cool though. It did slide around a little bit, but not much. Alright, just a quick little video because it is cold, so I purposely didn't charge it that much because with it being this cold. Alright. Hope you guys got something out of it. Leave a like, comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day. And I purposely charged it very little. See, as you can see, didn't really do a lot, but we'll do a video real quick here. Leave a like, comment down below. We'll see you next time. And before I go, I always want to remind you that Jesus loves you and have a wonderful day. And we'll see you next time.